Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and closing any apps that lock the background. Now open Settings and go to Personalization, or right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. Once there, identify whether your wallpaper is a file, part of a theme, or enforced by a registry or group policy. This matters because removal steps differ. Make sure to note the file path or theme name before proceeding so you can reverse changes if needed. Now change the active wallpaper to a plain solid color or a built-in image so the system stops using the custom file. Then locate and delete or move the custom image from Pictures, Desktop, or %appdata% where it's stored. If a theme applies the image, unapply the theme and remove the theme file under Theme Settings. Once done, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to ensure the desktop refreshes, and the old image is no longer referenced by the system. If the wallpaper persists, open Registry Editor and check HKCU/Control Panel, /Desktop, and HKLM equivalents for wallpaper entries, then clear or reset those values. Export first for safety. For domain or local policies, run gpedit. MSC and set desktop wallpaper to not configured, then force update with gpupdate/force. Finally, restart Explorer or reboot to apply changes. If problems continue, test by creating a new local user to confirm whether the issue is profile-specific. This helps pinpoint remaining causes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.